Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Beginning with our first DIY, I have this spray, it's metallic, and I decided to paint this beautiful humongous vase. After I started to paint it, I noticed that it's not the gold that I was hoping for. So I decided to use chalk paint, the color Serenity Blue. I'm giving it 2 heavy coats. It's gonna be nice and simple. I'm not gonna do too much to this because this is beautiful as is. So once I give the 2 coats, I came back and I gave it a nice coat with Mod Podge just to make sure that the chalk paint is going to be sealed in. So now it's all nice and dry like I said before. So now with the Mod Podge, I'm going to go ahead and give it a nice heavy coat. Once that is nice and dry, then I have these beautiful gemstone stickers from Dollar Tree, of course. And I'm just going to start placing them wherever I think that this is going to look beautiful. And my dear friends, look at how nice and classy this piece looks. I am not going to do anything else to it. This is the way that I like it. This is gonna go to my new home. I am decorating my house, of course, glamorous. Yes, let me know what you think about this beautiful piece. Here's the final reveal. Today is all about summer. Open playlist. The hosts are Amanda, 6 Kiss and a Glue Gun, along with Kate, Lady Red Crafting. They have a guest host this month, East Coast Mommy with Gina. I'm going to be leaving the links directly to their channels down in my description box, along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit them and show them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to their channels. Don't forget that they have a lot more inspiration for you. Make sure to visit them as soon as you watch this video. And now let's continue with our second project. For our second project, I have this little plaque. I believe I got this at Dollar Tree. I'm using the back side. I'm gonna continue to use the same Serenity Blue chalk paint, and I'm gonna be giving it 1 entire coat. And guys, on this open playlist, we must create 3 summer DIYs. Minimum of 3 summer DIYs. So let's go ahead and continue with our second project. Like I said before, I'm going to be giving it 1 entire coat with this Serenity Blue. I love this color. This yells summer. I'm gonna go ahead and help it with a little bit of heat so it could go ahead and dry quick enough, and then I'm gonna come in with white chalk paint and I'm gonna start distressing the entire piece. I purchased these transferable stickers at Temu, and this is such a beautiful owl. Look how gorgeous. Now, when I was trying to transfer this, I had a hard time. So what I decided to do was apply my heat gun, and then that made it a lot better. I was able to do the transfer easier. But before I did that, I'm coming back with some more Mod Podge, and I'm going to be giving it one coat to make sure that this transferable sticker will adhere better. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and continue to use my heat tool, so like that this Mod Podge could dry quick and I could just start adding this beautiful owl. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of heat like I said before, and that's going to help my owl transfer quicker. I'm going to go ahead and continue to distress or heavily distress all the edges of this beautiful, oh my god, I am so in love with this owl. Look at how gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and heavily distress the entire border. I went to a garage sale and I purchased a huge box of all type of wood beads, little wood legs. And when I came home, I took 3 plastic bins from the Dollar Tree and I filled all 3 of them. I was like so excited. And I bought a whole bunch of stuff for $9, and I was like so impressed with all these different shapes of pieces of wood. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like you saw, I painted 2 of them in white just to hide those 2 holes, and with hot glue I'm gluing them on each corner. Now, like I said before, I used the back of this sign, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these wood beads back here with plenty of hot glue, and then we're gonna go ahead and cover this back section here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the scissors and start trimming this paper off, and then I am going to be using, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim it down and then just sand the rest off. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and add some greenery with some purple flowers up here. For this third project, I have this picture frame that I purchased this several years ago. Somebody gave it to me in a huge box. I'm painting it, or I already painted off camera, and I gave it 2 coats with white chalk paint. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to dry it because I want to make this one nice and easy and quick. I don't want to sit around and wait until this paint dries. So once the paint is completely dry, then I have this construction paper. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to size, and I also have this beautiful stencil from Temu, and this is the construction paper that I like, and I'm going to combine it all together and put this frame in place. It's going to be nice and quick. I'm not going to try to bore you because you already know the procedure, but I just wanted to show you a really quick one. Now, this construction paper with these little polka dots are so gorgeous. I decided to pick this one because I thought it fit just perfect. I'm gonna go ahead again and cut it to size, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside the frame. And the butterfly, once the frame was on, I just put the butterfly sticker on. I rubbed it really nice and slow so the glass won't break, and that was it, my dear friends. Don't forget to visit the playlist down below. Remember that these talented creators have a lot more inspiration, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, I would love if you consider becoming part of our family. Give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed any of these 3 DIYs, and here are the final review. I hope you have enjoyed this video.